Behind the oh-so-Italian-looking handbar fairing resides the new instrument panel that comes laid out with an analog clock for the speedo and an LCD screen and warning lights for everything else. No tachometer, but it's nice having a proper fuel gauge rather than going strictly by the odometer. The steering column surrenders to the step-through completely, so with no tunnel, there's no obstruction to complicate mounting up and you get full user-tween-feet storage space. A new seat cover comes with a smooth finish as the factory ditches the faux tuck and roll on the MY17s, and the seat itself flips up to reveal a helmet compartment that will store one full face bucket with a USB port for convenient charging of your mobile devices. The subframe rises to elevate the pillion pad that comes complete with flip-out foot pegs and a new, beefier grab rail, in case your passenger and yourself aren't that close. LED lights and a mudguard plate holder finishes off the gear in the rear, and the new muffler cover updates the look of the power plant just a bit. Overall, the new Typhoon displays the usual youthful exuberance, just like you'd expect.